just to start. Yeah.
Hello, we are VPTV and we are addicted to buying likes.
Hey guys, welcome to VPTV. Now today we are going to be doing
random challenges. So we've got,
by the way, new poster. Do you like it? Comment down below. Emojis. Comment down below which is your favourite poster out of all of these.
we're getting We're up here so you can't see the yellow up there.
We're gonna get some A3 VPTV logo ones.
Go get some down here, or on here, and up here.
Ice Chubby Bunny challenge.
We'll do normal Chubby Bunny. We'll do Bop It, which is like this thing.
I cannot do this. I don't know what.
Cringe competition.
And one-handed pull-ups. Start with the Ice Chubby Bunny challenge before it melts.
Yeah. Ice Chubby Bunnies, but he has to say cold bunny.
Cold bunny. Arctic bunny.
You have to spit it out.
Right.
1. Say it. Say it.
Arctic. Arctic bunny.
What's up?
It's so cold.
You just spat everywhere. You just spat everywhere.
It's so cold.
For another one in. Don't choke. You're spitting everywhere.
Right, I don't know what I'm about. It's so cold.
Arctic bunny. Arctic bunny. No.
Take it.
Oh, it's so cold.
How do you open these things? There you go. Do another one.
Arctic bunny. That's so cold.
Am I out?
Yeah, I've got you spit all over my room.
Ooh!
Dripping. No! Don't drip on my floor, right?
Sorry. It's so cold.
Right, let's put these.
It makes your mouth like just go.
It's
Marshmallows.
normal Chubby Bunny
I should
now.
be good at this.
I'm rubbish at this.
Right, you hold that. Chubby Bunny.
You actually look like a Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Stop.
You
Chubby
can't eat
Bunny.
them,
I'm
you
not eating it. Chubby Bunny.
We're going to be out of marshmallows by the time you're finished.
I'm moving it around and off.
You look special. No, stop it. Right, give up now. Spit that out. Are you actually going to eat it? Please don't dribble on my floor. You got it all over your fingers.
No. Okay.
Oh, really boring to watch though. Give me some special effects.
Okay, that's no special effects. You have to bop it to start.
Party, 1-on-1, solo, high score, 4-3. Bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it, flick it, shake it. What? Focus,
You only get 2 tries.
twist it, pull it.
I haven't played that for a while.
What? Twisted this.
Right, what's the next
9. I won. You. Why am I just leaning out shot? It was.
What's the next one? It's no wait. It was the
I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, good.
pull-up competition. One-handed pull-ups.
Let's go.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. too high up. 3,
5! Cringe competition. Need some music for the beat drop because, you know, obviously there's... The worst video.
they cut his head off. / best video.
Right,
ever.
interval. Let's try to get 500,000 likes because, you know, we'll buy them anyway apparently. Get 500,000 likes, we'll jump off a cliff. That was this right there.
What is this?
Definitely questionable at this point. How much money do you have, by the way? Right, you pay 250 grand, I'll pay the other 250 grand.
Okay.
Because we'll get like 10 from these guys, because, you know, we buy.
It is ours, but we made it.
Yeah, we made it, you know. We bribed some guys called Alex and Josh from Sheffield, shout out. Yeah, so it's at VP TV underscore fan page.
No.
Oh! Nah. Oh!
Wow. I chipped it as well, so it's sharp.
Oh. My Instagram is here. I think. Is here. Alright. You have to zoom in. Right, I'll do it. And then our whole Instagram is here.
And VPTV fan page is here.
So,
Hope you enjoyed.
Hope you enjoyed. 50,000.
500,000 likes.
500,000 likes because we'll buy them anyway.
Yeah.
You know. Guys, like and subscribe and share with friends if you enjoyed, which you probably didn't.